Hey guys, welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today we're getting crafty with cards. If you're tired of plain old greeting cards, this project is for you. We're going to weave a super cool geometric pattern right onto the card itself. It's easier than you might think, and the results are seriously impressive. First things first, grab a piece of cardstock and draw a grid on each corner. I'm using 2 mm squares, but you can make yours bigger or smaller depending on how detailed you want your design to be. Just remember to leave a margin around the edges so your weaving doesn't go off the card. Once you've got your grid, it's time to mark the spots where you'll be poking holes for your needle and thread. I'm using a simple dot pattern, but you can get creative with different arrangements. Then grab a needle or a pin and carefully poke holes through each marked spot. Weaving. I'm using embroidery floss, but you can use yarn, thin ribbon, or any other material that you like. Just thread your needle, tie a knot at the end, and start weaving in and out of the holes, following your grid pattern. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy card weaving tutorial. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your greeting cards and really make them special. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crafty inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting!